organizing a delivery. Even though Kevin got rid of some old stuff, he's still got a whole lot of things he needs to ship back to Taiwan.
Glad that's all sorted out. I only got $50 from Goodwill, but at least I'm down to shipping only one box. Where'd you go to ship your stuff?
I went to DHL. It's not far from here. I'm not sure what their rates are, but we might as well check.
Cool. Mind giving me another ride?
No problem.
At DHL, an international delivery company.
Hi, what are your rates to Taiwan?
Just that box there? Let me weigh it.
Here you go.
Looks to be 45 pounds. We have 3 different choices for you. Same-day shipping comes to $200.21. For within 5 days, it'll be a flat $85. Our normal service, which could take up to 3 weeks, would be $39.62.
The normal service is fine. Can I buy insurance for the shipping?
Of course. What do you value the package at?
About $250.
That'll be another $20. Your total is $59.62. Can I do anything else for you?
Nope, that's it. Thanks.